Hey everybody, Cody here. Doing this intro because we did not have time to really film one when we decided to go ahead and do this trip with the boat. Chad kind of put this together and it was a last minute deal, and just kind of grabbed the camera and loaded up and met him there after we got done with a few things for our day, and off we went. So comment, like, subscribe, give us some feedback, let us know how we're doing, that kind of thing. Share with your friends, share with family, share with whatever. We see a lot of just with a little bit of analytics that we've been getting with the videos we have posted, we see that people are viewing but not subscribing, and the subscriptions that really help with our analytics and stuff like that, with the page to grow and everything like that. The more people subscribe, the more YouTube is likely to share the video and that kind of thing, as well as on the other platforms. So we really appreciate it if you just click the subscribe button, and that'd be great. Anyways, enjoy the video. And yeah, also, before I end this, our shirts are on the website, foreverbroke.shop. You can go on there, see what we have, and they will just drop ship right to you. So anyways, enjoy the video. Thank you.
You can see them riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
She said, now I'm wearing black stats and my jeans at the sports book and all my pants in. Waiting on my girl to wake up so we can go out on the town and we get up. She had that western feel and her body surreal. So I'm bloody still. She's got that western feel, loves me like my heels. Even now I'm loving it, sleep. This is where my favorite sleep.
Hey, shoot through.
Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh, yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it. Like a disease, bring them to their knees. No take for there to see. Just like a weed spread into the street. It's time to make them bleed. Cause we just want retribution. Let's go light up the darkness. Make true of an empty promise. With gods in the weak and harmless. Take to the streets and turn them to a mosh pit. Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.
That was my plan. Well, that might be the penis water. Run this whole left, make it smooth. Watch that right there, 16 out after that. Go back there, go over it. Fucking gravy. Just barely made it. Yeah, you stalled inside like, oh, fuck. All right, I got it. Why'd you have the GoPro like this when it beat Mike?
Look out, Jack is drunk again.
That was a good one. That was a good one. Car wash. Boat's clean.